This was the deadliest tornado in U.S. history. It struck in 1925 before modern warning systems existed, leaving almost no time to escape. At least 695 people were killed, and entire towns were destroyed in minutes. The tornado stayed on the ground for over 200 miles, crossing 3 different states. Because of this, it became known as the Tri-State Tornado. Experts believe it would have been an F5, the highest rating possible. The Tri-State Tornado is still used as a benchmark for tornado destruction today. Is it possible this could happen again?